Hello friends, welcome to my channel Words and Expressions. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And I request to stay with us till the end. Today, first we are going to discuss two words which we generally use interchangeably, but there is a slight difference in the meaning. The words are dispute and quarrel. Both words refer to verbal expression of disagreement, but usually a dispute tends to be more serious in nature. Dispute is something which usually have heated clashes over something serious and usually lasts for a long time as well. For example, India and Pakistan have been disputing over Kashmir since 1947. From this particular example, we can understand the seriousness of the word. Next, quarrel. A quarrel can range from a mild to a violent argument. In general, it tends to be far less serious than a dispute. When people quarrel, they are usually having an argument about something unimportant. For example, the kids were constantly quarreling about something or the other. Number 3. Abominable. It's an adjective. It means very bad or unpleasant. We all use the common adjective bad. We never try to replace it with a good word, isn't it? Let us discuss a few examples. Prisoners are forced to live in abominable condition. Another one, the weather has been abominable all week. We can also use it as an adverb, abominably. For example, he behaved abominably towards her. Number 4. Now we are going to discuss an expression which is very common and many of us know the meaning. By hook or by crook means by fair means or foul or by any means. But we don't use it in our day-to-day conversation, isn't it? For example, he is determined to achieve his object by hook or by crook. But we generally use his object by any means. So please replace this beautiful expression in the place of by any means. Our last expression is without reserve, and this is also a very good expression for the common word fully and implicitly, which we use constantly in our writing or our day-to-day conversation. For example, he accepted my statement without reserve. Let us give a quick revision. Number 1, dispute. Something which usually have heated clashes over something serious and usually lasts for a long time. Quarrel, less serious than dispute. When people quarrel, they usually having an argument about something unimportant. Abominable, very bad or unpleasant. By hook or by crook, any means, by fair means or foul, without reserve, fully or implicitly. So here we have completed today's 5 words and expressions. Any type of suggestions will be highly appreciated. Feel free to ask your queries in the comment box. Thank you.